Well, here it is, folks. Look at this. We wanted a cedar planter, and me and Ronnie worked this up pretty good. It came in a kit. They were like $400 something at a home improvement. And I said, oh, we got to be able to find something better than that. Sure as hell. Got on Amazon. Made us a cedar planter, and that's all I did. You can see it's put together right, properly. Countersunk, nice and solid. See, who makes that? Boldly Growing. It's the name of that kit, and it took a little doing, but all the edges are nice and sanded. Ronnie's a carpenter by trade, so she knows what she's doing, but yeah, some pretty good work, I'd say.
Thank you.
Not bad.